Hello and welcome to Model Minutes. This video is a quick review of the Revell Hawker Tempest in 1/72nd scale. This is one of those kits that I started when I only really enjoyed building the models and not finishing them, but I found it in the garage after some time and decided to give it a paint job. The landing gear had to be reassembled as that had fallen off over time. The instructions give you two different paint schemes to choose from. I decided to go for the more complicated one as a challenge. The more simple one doesn't have the D-Day stripes on it. I took a picture whilst I was painting this to show how I did it. I used masking tape in strips, overall painting the area in a white colour and then masking to paint the black and then removing the tape to get the stripes. The kit itself is reasonably okay. The moulding is all raised rather than recessed, which I find to be quite common with older designs, and also the paint scheme was fairly easy to follow. Having some experience of using Royal Aircraft colours around the D-Day period, I had a vague idea of which ones to use. The one area I really struggled with on this model, however, was the decals. Now there are quite a few decals on this kit, some of them are quite fine, but I felt they were quite old, and when I removed them from the backing paper they would tend to split or tear. I've done my absolute best to get them onto the model correctly, but some of them are still not quite right. Some of them even took a few coats of the microset solution to get them to conform to the details, as they just weren't really sticking onto the model. So if this is something that you're interested in building, and as it retails for under £5 in the United Kingdom, it is worth getting, but you might need to have some more experience first, because I feel that if I'd built this earlier on in my modelling experiences, I would have really struggled with it and probably not produced an aircraft to such a high standard. Anyway, let me know what you think of this build in the comments below, and I'll see you all again next time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to find out when my video goes live next. See you all again next time.